Alright, so we're gonna see how long the onboard footage lasts. Oh, it already jumped back. I might have to tighten it up. Let's see if it holds up now. I don't know how long that can. Oh, there you go. Let's see that
Make a .24 Outlaw, 9-port on-road engine.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. People are buying that shit, so.
You definitely have more grip than me.
Yeah. Tree.
2.5 is current. Alright YouTube, so the onboard footage did not work. It already came off. So next time, I didn't even bring no more double-sided tape. I would have remounted it, but even my camber's off big time. Yeah. But Sammy's got the hot bodies Truggy. I'm gonna mess around. Let me see if I can get some better steering, because Sammy was killing me on the turns and he got some better tires, so see if I can do something about that steering. Alright, she ready? Oh! I'm recording.
Just in time.
Yeah. Ooh, that 24 is ripping. I'm not gonna lie, that 24 is ripping. I think it's like on 6S right now. Oh,
God dang. They got to blew the shocks out on that.
oh, I got sideways. I tried to get it. Oh, we wanted to do a wheelie, wow.
Those tires?
Right? The IR must be dropping in the battery. Ooh, that was a good one. Ooh. I was way off right there. Let me come stand up. My bad. Oh, I did a digger right there. I didn't have enough to bring it back here.
Nose planted?
Yeah. Yeah, the
Because we got wicked thick dip oil.
yeah.
We got like no tires.
No, I knew I was about to go right into that tree. Arrma tough, baby.
Why is he doing yeah, that's what he is.
He's now pulling off. Oh, I keep hitting that same corner, every time.
Brakes are too aggressive.
Yeah. To turn them down from the remote.
Yeah, it's not as easy on the floor. I could do it, but fuck it. If it was like the 6,
Yeah.
I could just put one button.
Oh, I broke. No? It was. I'll see the damage later, I'm sure. It's like, oh shit, I bet the whole... I missed the jump down.
with actually like race fluids.
Yeah,
See
right.
how different it is?
I said the same thing. That's what I was gonna do to my buggy.
I don't know if I've ever driven anything with it.
100% tuned for the off-road, right? Same. Oh, what the hell?
The electric brake sounds like a gear stripping. Oh shit!
Ooh.
Don't want to clip a tree yet.
Yeah, I didn't want to
Going
come.
that fast.
Oh.
Oh! God damn! Flipped it.
Same way. Ah, too much.
Too much.
Ooh. Too much.
We had half the track.
Ooh, that was for air. all I see was your head doing this.
Kind of yanked the thing over. Oh man, that was brutal.
Ah, the Truggy is fun. If we had another ramp, we could have kicked it up some more and really got some air.
Add a fuel.
Yeah, ripping like